Hello friends, hope you are doing great, and today I am here back with another new video for you which are related to Excel tutorial. So in our everyday life, whether it's job, in our personal life or in our home office, we need Excel. We need to deal with the data. So today I'm going to teach you one very important application of Microsoft Excel that we need to use to deal with data every single day, and it comes really handy when we try to save time and we try to make ourselves efficient and very skillful. So without further ado, let's get into the main video. So as I said, today we're going to learn how to use VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. What is that? Okay, let me help you. Okay, so here we see employee ID, and we have total like 14 to 15 employee with their ID, and we have their monthly pay. Okay, so now if I want to get the first name and last name of this employee ID, means who actually holds this ID, his first name and last name. I have those information in another table here, and this is the table where I need to get those information. So I can see the ID 990678. I can try to find it here. I see here it is 990678. The last name is Pitt and the first name is Brad, that is Brad Pitt. So here I can get these two information here. I can write the first name here, Brad, and I can also write the last name here, which is Pitt. However, here are like several employees ID, and I might have thousands like this, so that will be very much time consuming. That might be even days to do it, and there is also a huge possibility of human error, right? So what we can do, we can use a very simple formula that will take no more than 3 to 4 seconds, and we will be doing the whole task, and we can guarantee there will be no mistake. Okay, so we can do this just using VLOOKUP operation in Microsoft Excel. And how we can do that? Okay, let me show you how we can do that. Let me zoom in a little bit more so that you can see it very well. So first we need to start writing formula, and I believe you know how to start writing formula. So just press the equal button here, and what I do here, I see the formula that I use most frequently, and I don't see VLOOKUP here. So what I have to do, I have to go to more functions, and I have to find VLOOKUP from here. As it starts with V, that will be towards the end of the table, right? So let's go to, yeah, you see here VLOOKUP, so select it. Okay, so now I have chosen the formula or function for VLOOKUP. So what it says, VLOOKUP value means for which, or for which cells, or for which data, for which value you are going to find other information. So in that case, I have my value, or my what I can say, my cell is like this one, employee ID. Against this value I will find other values. Okay, so I have chosen my VLOOKUP value. Now table array, from which table you want to get the data from. So I want to get the data from this table, so let me choose those area. Okay, this is the table from where I want to get the data. And now column index number. Okay, so I know here I have employee ID, I also have employee ID here. So the employee ID column on the source table is the first one, the first column means 1, so I will put 1 here. Okay, I'm almost done. And the range lookup. Okay, so what does the range mean? Okay, so the range mean I'm sorry, you know what, I have to choose number 2, the column index number 2, because number 3 I have to go for column number 3. I'm sorry. So the column index number, what I'm looking for right now, I'm looking for first name. So where is the first name? The first name is at column number 3. That will be my target column. So I'm sorry, that will be 3. Okay, now you see here it says logical. Okay, range lookup logical. I will write either 0 or 1. If I write 1, it will try to bring out something that matches the closest, but if I write 0, it will matches everything exact. If a little bit is you know, a range or something is closer, but it will not bring it, I will give 0 here. Okay, now I will put OK. So you see I have to drag down the whole formula. Okay, now you see for 990678, the first name is Brad, the first name is Brad, and 830385, the first name is Prince. So where I see Prince, you see it matches, and for those I see the value is not present here, that's why we didn't find it. The same way we can also find for the last name. Thank you so much for watching the video. I believe it will be very much helpful for you, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.